Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Canva website template in Blogger. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Blogger or Canva, you can use our link in the description down below and you may get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So yes, you can see Blogger is one of the best platform you can use to post your blogs, post something uh, you want to blog with, some, for example, contents, website, etc. Uh, Files, whatever. You can do it right here by just clicking new post right here. As you can see, if you click new post, you will be given a, for example, you can code your blog itself. That's why Canva is one of the best you know app to or website to use to integrate in Blogger, since it also this application also use codes, HTML codes, to design uh contents. So yeah, if you want to integrate the Canva contents right here, it's easy. First, of course, you need to go to Canva and design your, for example, website. So you need to keep in mind, you need to choose a design size that would fit on the blogger your blogger workspace. So if the content is too large or too wide for the for blogger, I think you can't integrate it. So you need to choose the best size for your design. So for example, I'm going to use this for example, this one. Okay, wait. This one. All right. So you just need to customize the template that you have chosen, and as much as possible, you need to edit the you edit your templates right here on Canva, not on Blogger. Since if you integrate it without editing, you may find it hard to edit it further. So as much as possible, edit the contents, for example, here on Canva itself. So let's just minimize the number page. Okay, let's make it at least 3 page only. All right, for example, right here. So this is my website itself. So yeah, as much as possible, if you want to change something, change the font, the pictures, the backgrounds, because you can edit it right here, but not on Blogger. So as much as possible, if you want to change something right here, you better change it right here before you upload it on Blogger right here. So for example, going to change the font right here. And yeah, yeah, this might be good already. So I won't change anything. So after I'm done editing this, so I just need to click share, as you can see, and go to see all. And as you can see right here, you will see embed. So click this one. So if you click embed, as you can see, uh, it will show you a HTML embed code that you can copy and paste right here on Blogger. So after that, you just need to copy, paste it right here. And as you can see, the code has been copied, and you just need to click preview to view how it would look like. So as you can see, if I click preview right here, as you can see, I already integrated my content from Canva to Blogger app or Blogger platform. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can, so as you can see, you can edit it furthermore. You can just preview it. So yeah, if you don't know how to edit codes, for example, yeah, you can edit it right here, but it would be very hard. So you need to have a keen knowledge about coding first in order to before you can edit this one. So yeah, that's it. So after you're done, after you click preview and you're okay with it, and if you want to add more, well, it's easy. Just go to uh right here and edit it again. Make sure that you have saved the change first, or make sure after you edit something, click reload to save the change, and go to share again. go to embed right here. So as you can see, delete first delete the embed link and go to embed again, so that it would create a new embed link. So yeah, that's it. So after that, just click copy again and paste it right here to save the changes. And that's it. And if you click preview, you will definitely see the change right here. So that's it. That's how you can, use Canva website to Blogger. That's how you integrate it. And yes, that's it. And also, that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.